Good Sunday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here for another check of your Father's Day forecast and the week ahead. And it's going to be very hot and very dangerous. You know, this is the National Weather Service heat risk impact map for tomorrow, because today's going to be hot, but it's not going to be oppressively humid, which really makes it dangerous. But notice tomorrow you get a lot of the major impacts here, all the reds that you see. And even if we look further in the week, we'll see quite a bit of purple on here, which is extreme, which you definitely don't want to see. So if you have to be out, you got to be safe and protect yourself, because heat is the #1 related weather killer across the planet. So if you're going to be outside, you got to wear that light, loose-fitting clothing. By light, we're talking about colors, whites, baby blues, pinks, yellows, that sort of thing. Leave all the earth tones at home. Leave the navy blues, leave the blacks, leave the browns, all of those dark colors that absorb the sun's heat. Put those and leave them in the dresser this week. Pull out all the bright colors to reflect the sun's heat. Keep yourself hydrated with water, not coffee, not energy drinks, not soda, mainly water or something with electrolytes that will keep your body hydrated, and make sure you keep close tabs on the youngsters and the seniors that are most susceptible to the heat. Temperatures this week well into the 90s. Heat indices, what it'll feel like many days flirting with 100 degrees, which is why you've got to be safe out there. Lots of sunshine today, maybe a couple of afternoon storms. If you get caught under one, it will give you some brief refreshment from the air. After this warm front crosses, our flow will turn out of the south and southwest. That will start to pull in that heat and humidity, and you'll certainly start to notice it both Monday and Tuesday. Futurecast will show you this evening. We are watching, I think, mainly along and south of the parkways here, the chance for a couple of afternoon showers and storms to bubble up. If you get caught under one of them, you'll get some refreshing, cooler air, but all that rainfall will make it feel really sticky outside. Then by tomorrow morning, not too bad, just plenty of clouds around and very, very warm to start our Monday. Mid-90s today for our temperatures across the entire tri-state area. Please be safe if you're going to be outside today. Very warm tonight. Again, these numbers won't be reached until probably tomorrow morning. We'll be in the 80s when most of us go to bed tonight. Warm and humid both Monday and Tuesday, but there are signs the second half of the week that humidity at least will start to ease, but temperatures will remain very hot all week long.